Okay, fuel rebates.
Yep.
Every litre of petrol that you use off-road, so this is anything that's not used in the registered vehicle, you're entitled to claim now 69 cents a litre plus GST.
69 cents in all of New Zealand and 79 cents in Auckland?
Yes.
Yep.
Right. So you're entitled to claim that back.
Yep.
To claim that back, you have to, one, prove that you purchased the fuel,
Yes.
and two, have a separation to show that where it's not being used on the road. Generally quite a simple operation.
So you need to fill up the fuel container separate to your vehicle,
Yep,
okay, and be able to show that as two separate transactions every time you do that.
that's right. So
Yep.
if you're filling up a 20 and a 10 litre, it will show up as a 30 litre fill,
Yes.
as opposed to your vehicle, which will probably be 60 or 70 litres.
Yeah, most of the guys have got a 10 litre and maybe a couple of 5 litres.
So it will show up 5 litre container purchase or 15. Or, our ladies in the office can pick that up off your fuel account.
Right. What about if you're just doing it straight through your normal bank account?
Yeah, just doing net box.
Yeah.
So in that case, what you do is you just have an envelope in your truck,
Yes.
keep your receipts.
Yes.
Once a month, you scan them when you're scanning them into your business anyway,
Yep.
and email us a copy.
Right. Simple.
We will do all the paperwork. The thing with fuel rebates is that if you don't do it on time,
Yes.
they actually deduct 10% of your rebate off you.
Right.
So there is a requirement that every 3 months you do your
And what's on time? Have you got 30 days to do it?
you've got a bit more than that,
Right.
but it's one of those things. It's a matter of getting it into the system
And then getting into the habit.
getting into the habit.
Yep.
If you get into the habit of sending us when you get your petrol statement, you just forward us a copy. That's simple. Or you save your receipts, scan them and send them to us once a month, once every 2 months.
Yep. Easy.
If we haven't got them, our office ladies will take you for it.
Yes.
So you don't have to remember to do it, we will remind you to do it.
Sure.
Now, if you've been in the business a while, we can actually do a back claim for 2 years,
Wow. Okay.
as long as you've either got the receipts or the statement.
Right.
Now, if you're using a fuel card, you'll have the.
Oh.
If you're using a fuel card or that, you will have the statements going back.
Yes.
If you've been using receipts, you've probably got those receipts for your GST or
In
whatever.
Xero or
something.
QuickBooks or whatever you're using. MyOg. Yep.
As an example, if you use 20 litres a week
Yep.
and you've been in the business 2 years, you've got a back claim sitting there of about $1,200
Okay. That's worth claiming for.
for sure. And going forward, it's worth about $170 a quarter.
For 20 odd litres a week.
If you're using 20 litres a week. If you're using more, of course, or if you're using slightly less.
Slightly less. Yep.
Our company, we do all the paperwork for people. We've got 7,500 companies,
Yep.
ranging all sorts of different people. And we just make sure it's done every 3 months on time. And we charge for doing it 15% of your rebate.
Right.
So what happens is Land Transport will send out a tax grant note and say fuel rebates have claimed this much on your behalf.
Yes.
That turns up in our trust account tonight. We pay it out to you tomorrow. There's 15%. There is a one-off setup fee, which is $200 plus GST.
Per user.
Yeah, per. Yes.
So you're talking, once you're set up,
Yep.
and you've been in the system for 4 months, after that, you're in freedom.
Money for nothing.
Yeah, and most of the guys have been in business for 2 years
They will get about a $1,200
and
back.
taking that into consideration. Yeah.
And that's what it's all about.
So how do we go about doing it? You've got a form there and we fill that out?
You need to contact